guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Friday, May 28th, 2021, and today I have a special activity in mind. As you know, we were talking about perseverance, about how practice makes the master or practice makes excellent. So sometimes working hard for getting things can be stressful, can make us like the kid. I don't know. Oh, my head hurts. I need to do it. So working hard, it's kind of difficult, and if and sometimes we feel stressed. We can that we want to yell. We are angry. We feel angry because we cannot do this thing, or even we cry. We feel sad because we cannot do this thing, and it's okay to feel like that. But it's important that it's important to know that we need to control our emotions, and at the same time that we are practicing. That it's okay to make mistakes. We learn more from mistakes than from successes. So if you do a mistake, you might learn more. But those are emotions that you and I felt sometimes. But it's important to know that you need to stay calm, relax a little bit, stay calm, and continue with your work. Here I have some exercises that you can do. The relaxation routine. Sit on a chair, scrunch your face, then relax it. Tense your arms, then relax them. Tense your shoulders, then relax them. Tense your legs, then relax them. And this is a technique that I use to relax. And I know you guys, you can do whatever you want, especially if it's hard. We can do hard things too, not just easy ones. We can do hard things. And with this in mind, I have the plan to do the world record flying time paper plane. So yeah, what we're going to do today, it's a paper plane. And I never learned how to make a paper plane, so that's why we're going to do this one. I have the video, so we can follow it all together. Okay, I hope you're ready. So if you follow the instructions, you might have a plane just like this one. Yeah, just like this one. It's a little hard to do it, but I know you can do it. If you are having problems, pause the video, re-forward, watch it again. So keep trying. If you do it wrong one time, don't worry about it. Do it again. And I know where is your question. Does it fly? Well, let's see if it does. Now we're outside of my house and we are going to draw this plane. So I hope you can watch it. I hope you watch it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a very nice day. Goodbye. See you on Monday.